Greetings. Welcome to another video. Your computer clock is wrong, and that is why Firefox does not work properly and Google website is not displayed anymore. In this video I will show you how to fix this. Let's fire up Firefox. When I go to google.com, I get an error message. The time and date is actually wrong. I use an old laptop to record. I apologize if the video lags somewhat. There is a simple solution. Open up a command prompt window as administrator. Use the date and time command as an admin to change the date and time. I'll skip the date, because I'd like to show you another tool. The problem I ran into, after changing the date and time, the issue persisted after rebooting Windows. There is a free tool to help you out. First go to this website and download, then unzip it. The application will connect to a time server. Grab the current time, then set your computer's time and date accordingly. Add the application to Auto Start to run on every Windows Start. Rename it if you like. Let's do a test and see if it works. Change the date. Run the application. Okay, works as expected. Last but not least, let's check the settings. I suggest to check all settings. After that, close the application. That's it for today.